Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras and take out your math books and notebook both. Open your cameras and take out your math books and notebooks. Today we will start a new chapter, subtraction, right? Open your cameras quickly. Yes, open your camera. And Aradhya, change your name.
Ma'am, page number.
No page number.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras also quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today I will start a new chapter, that is subtraction. Now look here, everyone, carefully. Look here on the board. Very good morning to all of you. And we are going to start a new chapter, that is. Okay. See now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now look here. Look here, subtraction. So I told you how many operations are there in maths? How many operations are there in maths? There are 4 operations in maths, and we are going to do which operation? We are going to do subtraction of minus. Which operation we are going to study? There are 4 operations plus minus. Sarah Chandani, please switch off your mic, and Samarth Kumar, you too. Switch off your mic. Samarth Kumar, switch off your mic. So there are 4 operations we are going to study about minus 1. Excuse me. Minus 2 we say subtraction. ठीक है?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now look here. Subtraction कैसे करते हैं? If I write 325 minus, and yes, answer of subtraction is known as difference. Answer of subtraction is known as difference. क्या बोलते हैं subtraction के answer को? Difference बोलते हैं. Subtraction के answer को difference बोलते हैं. So if I say find the difference, that means you will subtract. Excuse me. 325 minus 420. Excuse me. Wait. Okay, now see. 458 minus 300. Oh, sorry. I have written wrong. It should be 525. Here it should be 525. Okay. Now see. 5 में से 8 minus. देखो बेटा, subtraction में से तो 8. एडिशन तो 8 plus 5 भी कर सकते हो. एडिशन में तो आप 8 plus 5 भी कर सकते हो, 5 plus 8 भी कर सकते हो. But in subtraction you cannot do. You can write 8 minus 5, but 5 minus 8 is not same. So what we will do? Don't say 5 minus 8 3 नहीं कर देना. It will be wrong. Okay. So what will we do? This 5 will ask 1 from this. So this 2 will give it 1 to this 5. It will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 1 में से 2 माइनस होना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो ये 5 अपना 4 1 दे देगा, तो ये बन जाएगा 1 1 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Understood? This is the way to subtract, and this is known as borrowing. Borrow क्या होता है? किसी से मांग लेना और उधार मांग लेना. So he is showing this is borrowing. Okay. Now open your maths pair notebook, a new page in your maths pair notebook. Everyone, and open your cameras also. There are few students whose cameras are off, and yesterday I told you your camera should be on every time. Okay. Take out your maths pair notebook, a new page. Okay, so there it is. Wait a minute. Just give me a minute. Find the difference between. Take out maths pair notebook, a new page. Write chapter 4 subtraction on a new page at the top. Third class maths. Take out maths pair notebook, a new page. Okay, and start doing these questions. In maths pair notebook, a new page. Write chapter 4 subtraction at the top. Write exercise 4.1 and start doing these questions. Quickly solve it.
Ma'am, this is going to do a new page.
What?
Ma'am, this one page. Write a new page.
What you are saying? New page? मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. Come closer and speak.
Ma'am, this one write a new page.
What is written at the top, बेटा? क्या लिखा है अक्षता? ऊपर ये पढ़ो क्या लिखा है? What is written here?
Maths fair notebook new page.
तो कहाँ करना है इसको?
New page.
So where are you saying? Do it quickly. Keep your cameras also on so that I can see what your people are doing. Keep your cameras on. Okay. ऋत्विक कहाँ घूम रहे हो बेटा? शौर्य प्रताप, open your camera. Ansh, where are you? I can't see you. Ansh Sen. Ansh Sen, I can't see you. Where are you? हाँ, कहाँ घूम रहे थे? अंश,
Ma'am, sharpener और eraser.
शार्पनर. हाँ, क्लास से पहले लेकर नहीं लेके बैठी जाती. चलो, do it. चलो, quick, quick, quick. Karanveer, where are you? I can't see your face. Do it quickly and send your answers to me after doing it. Aditi present. Aditya present. Akshita present. Aditi, Akshita, Aman present. And same present. And Karthik absent again today. Again he will say, ma'am, I was present. Ansh same present. Apurva present. Radha Mishra, Radha Sharma, Arjun Yadav, Aryan Ganga, Ayush Dakshita, Dhruv, Dhruv, Divit, Divit, Bharat, Dakshita, Gurkaran. Divit is also absent. Gurkaran present. Hardik Bhardwaj is absent present. Mera present. Pankaj present. Mera Pankaj. Karanveer present. Kananjana present. Mohammed Saad absent. Ritwik present. Anju present. Katran present. Vinod Kumar present. Kumar Sarakshi present. Sarah Chandani present. Karan Singh present. Also Somar present. Shaurya present. Shaurya Pratap present. Shloki present. Nanya present. Kaushik present. Vikalp is absent. Because it is present again. Good. Nevash. Do it quickly, everyone. I'm giving you only 10 minutes to complete it. Complete it quickly, then we will start the next exercise. Today only we will start the next exercise.
When we do subtract,
What, beta? What you are saying?
when we do in this subtract,
बेटा डिफरेंस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? What do you mean by difference?
मैम अलग
नहीं, मैथ्स में जो एडिशन का आंसर जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं सम, और सब्ट्रैक्शन का जो आंसर होता है उसको बोलते हैं डिफरेंस. सब्ट्रैक्शन के आंसर को मैथ्स में डिफरेंस बोलते हैं और एडिशन के आंसर को सम बोलते हैं. तो डिफरेंस मींस यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड गेट द आंसर. Once you complete it, send it on WhatsApp. I want to see कि किस किसने work नहीं किया है.
मेरे कॉलेज को तमिल.
अच्छा बेटा, note down your homework also.
Okay.
Note down your homework also. Let me write down your homework. Homework is,
Excuse me, ma'am.
I want to should see your homework tomorrow. Yes.
I'm saying that I don't having books, so how I do my homework, ma'am? Ma'am, please send a photo.
Ab, I don't know. I don't know. You can take some pictures from your friends. Especially you are just, enough is enough, Hardik. You just ask somebody, ask your any friend to send you the PDF. Exercise 4.5 question A and
And that is 4.1.
shut up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am, I
You
have
have?
done my work.
Okay, you just send it on me on the WhatsApp. Look, beta. This is the homework. Written in the corner. Write the homework. You have to do the homework.
Ma'am, I cannot see where you have done the work.
बेटा ये कॉर्नर में लिखा है, ये कॉर्नर में रेड कलर के से, रेड कलर से here. Now there are so many students. Let me see who are they. Those who are the latecomers. Let me check it. Wait. Niti Aditya Akshita Aman Shapur Aditya Rakesh Manush Akshita Gurkaran. Gurkaran, are you late today? No, no, no. Hardik Umera, Kalpit Karanveer Kunal, Kanjal Pitpit Rudransh, Sarakshi Saransh. ये सब तो थे. Okay, विकल्प सिंह इतना लेट कैसे आते हो बेटा? हाँ विकल्प सिंह, why are you so late? Why are you so late? Yes, Vikalp.
Ma'am, class show report problem.
What problem?
Ma'am, report problem.
Report problem. बेटा नेटवर्क जरा ठीक होने चाहिए आपके. अच्छा, okay. विकल्प is at present. एक और कोई absent mark हो गया है. Let me see. Mohammed Saad is absent. Okay, Mohammed Saad is absent. Who is this? Divit Sharma. Divit is present today or absent? होते तो बोलते बहुत. So he is absent. Divit absent marked है. Dhruv absent marked है. Dhruv is also not there. Okay, चलो. Anant Pathak. Anant Pathak.
Complete my work.
Anant Pathak is here. No, he's
Ma'am,
not
I
here.
complete my work.
Okay, then send it on WhatsApp. Give me a minute. Anant Pathak is not there. He is attending the class. How is it possible? चलो let me check your work. Wait a minute. अभी I'm checking. Okay, 253, 233. एक second बेटा. I have to check it properly. 348, 152, 233. बेटा ये 633 क्यों लिख रखा है? अच्छा 233 है. ओके ओके ओके. 436, 195, 095. बेटा ये हार्दिक थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है. हार्दिक क्वेश्चन नंबर मैं लिखूंगी. क्वेश्चन 1, क्वेश्चन 2, क्वेश्चन 3, क्वेश्चन 4. हाँ क्यों हार्दिक? आई विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर्स फॉर यू.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Samarth, your all answers are correct. Samarth, your all answers are correct. Hardik, your second and third answer is wrong. And please do write the question numbers, Hardik. Who is this? Apurv. Apurv, yes, correct. Yes, Apurv, good. All are correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bashu, all are correct. Good. And same, beta, ये क्या है, Ansh? What is this? Have you drawn the lines with the scale? Have you drawn the lines with the scale, Ansh? Yes, Ansh, where are you? Open your mic. Open your mic, Ansh. Ansh, where are you? Open your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn the lines with the scale?
No, ma'am.
Why? Rub it and draw it with a scale. Right now.
Okay.
I never want to see the lines with a scale. Yes, Ansh, correct. Answers are correct. Abhi ke bhi lines draw karo. Aditi, where are you? Open your mic. Where are you? Open your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you drawn the lines with a scale? Have you drawn the lines with a scale? Rub it and draw it with a scale right now. And first answer is coming wrong. 4 minus 1 is 3, Aditi. अच्छा बेटा आपका भी अंश सेम. सेकंड आंसर रॉन्ग है. 8 minus 4 4 होता है अंश. Your second answer is wrong. Question 2 is wrong. गुरकरण फर्स्ट वाला में. फर्स्ट वाला ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है करेक्ट है. गुरकरण थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है बेटा. 10 minus 9 minus 0 आएगा बेटा. वो 95 हो जाएगा. गुरकरण योर सेकंड थर्ड आंसर इज रॉन्ग. फिर से करो थर्ड वाला. और लास्ट वाला भी थोड़ा सा रॉन्ग किया है. जब वो बोरो दे देगा तो 5 becomes 4. गुरकरण ठीक करो. ये किसकी कॉपी है? आदित्य, डोंट वे यूज दिस कॉपी. आदित्य ये वाली कॉपी यूज नहीं करनी है. ये वाली नोटबुक यूज नहीं करनी है. यू शुड यूज
Yes,
बोथ
ma'am.
साइड लाइनिंग कॉपी. डोंट यू हैव अ बोथ साइड लाइनिंग नोटबुक जिन्हें दोनों साइड पर
Yes,
लाइनिंग्स
ma'am.
होती है? वो करना है. और आदित्य ये थर्ड आंसर इज रॉन्ग. थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, my camera will off for 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay,
Because
beta.
I am
Okay,
clicking
okay,
the-
okay. I know. You can. ये कौन है? कुणाल, improve your handwriting. Your fourth answer is wrong. Kunal, improve your handwriting also. थोड़ा नीट एंड क्लीन करा करो बेटा काम. And your fourth answer is wrong. ये Dakshita, your second answer is wrong, and put the question number also, Dakshita. Question 1, question 2, question 3, like this. Question 1, question 2, question 3, like this. Dakshita, write the question number also.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
And Dakshita, your second answer, wait a minute, Ayush. Dakshita, your second answer is also wrong, and third one is also wrong. And last one is also wrong, Dakshita. Dakshita, beta, borrowing karo na theek se. Why are you not borrowing? Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I don't have scale.
You don't have scale, beta. Next time, ask your parents to buy one scale for you. Okay? Because scale is a very important asset of an stationery. जितनी pencil important है, उतनी ही scale भी important है. Okay? So ask your parents to buy one scale for you. Hardly it comes of 5 or 10 rupees. Please buy a scale. Okay? Those who have not sent me the answers, quickly send it to me. And yes, today, wait a minute. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yes, beta. Today I will send you the PDF of chapter 2 and chapter 3. So similarly, you are also going to send me the chapter 2 and chapter 3 की PDF. ठीक है? जैसे chapter 1 की करी थी, जैसे chapter 1 की करी थी हमने, वैसे ही आप PDF बनाओगे रोमन नंबर्स की और एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की, and you will send it to me today नहीं, tomorrow. And tomorrow time मैं दे रही हूँ 3 PM to 5 PM के बीच में.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to send PDF for 3 and 2 chapter, but in copy or book.
In notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
It should be. आज मैं PDF भेजूंगी आपको बेटा, वो सारा वर्क कंप्लीट होना चाहिए आपका, जो मैं PDF आज भेजूंगी. ठीक है?
Excuse me.
Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, please check my work.
Don't speak in between me. हाँ Aradhya,
Ma'am,
speak louder. पास आकर बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, I will see. Don't tell me that you have
Ma'am,
done
I
that.
have done my work.
Don't tell this. I will see myself. Aradhya, your second answer is correct. ठीक है. Yes, Aradhya, correct. All are correct. Good, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I will do a homework. Will be
Humaira,
now.
very good. Humaira, very good. Gurkaran, don't tell me this. This is very bad. ये कौन है बेटा? रॉन्ग करे हैं सारे बेटा. एडिशन क्यों करा है आर्यन? आर्यन, ओपन योर माइक. आर्यन, ओपन योर माइक.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा डिफरेंस का मतलब पता है आपको क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिफरेंस? हाँ आर्यन, डिफरेंस का मीनिंग पता है आपको?
No, ma'am.
बेटा डिफरेंस बोलते हैं, देखो सम, SUM सम बोलते हैं एडिशन के आंसर को, और डिफरेंस बोलते हैं माइनस के आंसर को. यहाँ लिखा है फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन, दैट मींस यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड गेट इट्स आंसर. ऐड नहीं करना है, रब करो और सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, इसको सब गलत है. आपने सारे ऐड कर दिए. Humaira, your all answers are correct, but where is the scale, Humaira? Have you used the scale? Have you used the scale, Humaira? Where is scale?
Yeah, ma'am.
Use scale. Draw the lines with the scale. Rub it and draw the lines with the scale.
Okay, ma'am.
आर्यन बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन वर्क किया है, बट आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है यहाँ पर. आयुष, आयुष, आई थिंक योर सेकंड आंसर इज कमिंग रॉन्ग. आयुष, सेकंड आंसर रॉन्ग है. बोरोइंग होती है, 0 में से 4 माइनस करने पे बेटा 4 नहीं आता है. 0 विल बोरो, 0 में से 4 माइनस ही नहीं हो सकता. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. 4 में से 0 माइनस हो सकता है, 0 में से 4 माइनस नहीं हो सकता. सेकंड आंसर इज रॉन्ग. और लास्ट वाला भी नहीं किया आपने आयुष. यस कुणाल, नाउ इट इज लुकिंग नीट एंड क्लीन. लेकिन अभी भी थर्ड आंसर रॉन्ग, फोर्थ आंसर रॉन्ग है कुणाल. अक्षता करेक्ट, ऑल आर करेक्ट. अक्षता गुड. बेटा ये कौन है? 446 आएगा. सार्थक सेम मिस्टेक. बेटा बोरो, 0 में से 4 नहीं माइनस हो सकता है, 4 में से 0 हो जाता है. सार्थक रेस्ट ऑल आर करेक्ट. लास्ट वाला रॉन्ग है. सार्थक सिक्स्थ वाला भी रॉन्ग है और सेकंड वाला भी रॉन्ग है. Sarthak sixth and second are wrong. Sixth and last are wrong. Sorry, sixth and second, yes. Shaurya Patel, all are correct. Very good. Dakshita,
Thank you, ma'am.
all are correct. Good. नहीं, दक्षता थर्ड वन अब रॉन्ग है बेटा. अभी भी थर्ड वाला रॉन्ग है. दक्षता, still the third one is wrong. Humaira, draw the lines with the scale instead of playing.
Okay, ma'am.
You know which day is today? Today is World Picnic Day. So are you going to celebrate the picnic? Huh?
Ma'am, what?
Today is World Picnics Day. Pranjal, very good. All are correct. Very good, Pranjal.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So today, what you will do, you will celebrate the picnic today. Okay? Chalo, shall I tell you the answers? Beta, shall I tell you the answers? Chalo, jaldi se answers check kar do. Saransh, I will see afterwards. Okay, wait a minute. Let me tell you the answers. Answer of this one is coming. It is coming 2, 3, 3. Okay. Second answer is coming 4, 3, 6. ये वाला मैं बताऊंगी अभी बोर्ड पर. Second वाला बहुत मिस्टेक कर रहे हो second वाले में. Okay. Third one is coming 0, 9, 5. Okay. Answers see बेटा, answers देखो. Check the answers. 7, 4, 4. Check your answers quickly. Although I have checked it, but you also check it once. 0, 7, 0. And the last one is coming 1, 4, 4. Check all the answers. Check it quickly. Is somebody's answer coming different? Or you're not able to understand? Second wala, I know there are so many. Saran Singh, beta, your all answers are correct. Saran Singh, beta, your all answers are correct.
Ma'am, my all answers are correct.
Okay, very good. और बेटा, I checked it already. No need to tell me. मुझे मत बताओ. I already checked your answers. ये उनके लिए जिन्होंने थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक की थी, उनको पता नहीं है कि आंसर कहाँ रॉन्ग था. अच्छा, सी Aradhya also said me. Okay, Aradhya. Shlokdeep also. Shlokdeep, your last answer is wrong, बेटा. चलो मैं आपको सेकंड वाला और लास्ट वाला बताती हूँ. बहुत सारे मिस्टेक कर रहे हो सेकंड वाले में और लास्ट वाले में. Yes, Aradhya, good. Aradhya, have you taken the help of your mother? Homework note down kar lo beta. Note down the homework. Okay, Vanya also sent today answer. My God, how is it possible? This is the homework. Okay, now let me start. Look here. आप लोग बहुत सारी मिस्टेक कर रहे हो दो क्वेश्चंस में. ओके सो लुक एट माय बोर्ड, एक तो सेकंड वाले में और सिक्स्थ वाले में बहुत मिस्टेक की है सबने. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द सेकंड वन एंड द सिक्स्थ वन. लुक हियर. Question number 2 was question 2 was 880 minus 444. बेटा what I am seeing all of you what you are doing, आप 0 minus 4 4 कर दे रहे हो, आप 0 minus 4 4 कर दे रहे हो. This is wrong. बेटा 0 में से you cannot subtract 4. 0 में से you cannot subtract 4. So what will happen? This 0 will ask 1 from it. It will become 7 and it will become 10. Sorry. This will become 1 0 10. And 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. This is the query. ठीक है. और लास्ट वाला भी बहुत सारा. बेटा सारांश चंदानी हुआ grown up. Do not write HTO. Do not write HTO. बेटा you are grown up. सिक्स्थ वाला देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इसमें भी आप बहुत मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. 250 and 106. See 250 and 106. Okay. Now see here. 0 में से 6 minus is not possible. So 0 जो है इससे 1 ले लेगा. आप क्या कर रहे हो? 0 minus 6 6 लिख दे रहे हो. बहुत सारे ने ऐसे किया है बेटा. 0 में से आप 6 माइनस नहीं कर सकते. 6 minus 0 is possible as 6. ठीक है. So you cannot subtract here. What you will do is this will become 4 and this will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 144 is the answer. Understood? You are doing a lot of mistake here and this one also. Second or sixth, most of you are wrong. अच्छा थर्ड वाला भी किसी किसी का रॉन्ग था. थर्ड वाला और बताती हूँ मैं. 500 and 405 वो भी ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन है. 500 minus 405 आप इसमें भी ऐसे कर रहे हो.